I'm going to go over with you your social studies assignment for this week. And this week we are going to be going over Reconstruction. So the first thing you need to do for this assignment is you need to read the lesson, which talks about Reconstruction and the constitutional amendments that are related to Reconstruction, about sharecropping and Jim Crow laws. And once you have read that lesson very well, you have some questions to answer. And I'm going to read those questions and answer choices out loud to you. If at any point in this video you want to pause it so you can go back into the passage and look for the answer, please do so. All right, so the first question is, which of the following was the main goal of Reconstruction? All right, your key word there is main goal. And as you're answering this question, I want you to think. The economy of the South was destroyed by the war. Slavery ended, which changed the plantation system. Millions of people became full citizens of the United States. The North and South had to be part of the same country again. During Reconstruction, the country had to be united. So keep that in mind when you're answering this question. What was the main goal of Reconstruction? All right, so your answer choices are helping the economy in the North, helping Southern farmers find work, giving money to Southern farmers, or reuniting the North and South. All right, the next question is, which of the choices below did the Freedmen's Bureau provide to former slaves? And a hint for this question is, before the war, this was illegal. So which of the choices below did the Freedmen's Bureau provide to former slaves? Did they provide jewelry, land, horses, or education? All right, the next multiple choice question is, what did the Freedmen's Bureau help decide? Did they help decide where the new voters would vote? Contracts between freedmen and farmers? To give the right to vote to women? Or which cities to rebuild? Which one of these did the Freedmen's Bureau help decide? All right, your next question is going to be a short constructed response. All right, I'm going to read the question out loud, and then I'm going to provide you with what I expect when you write your answer. All right, think about how the Reconstruction might have been different if President Lincoln had not been assassinated. List 3 things that might have happened after the war under President Lincoln. All right, so think in your mind how Reconstruction would be different if President Lincoln had not been assassinated and killed. If he was still alive after the war ended and during the Reconstruction time, what would have been different if President Lincoln was still in charge? Your answer should be 1 paragraph. All right. So you can have your topic sentence, which is going to introduce what your paragraph is going to be about. You got to include your 3 things that might have happened after the war under President Lincoln, and then you're going to write your concluding sentence. So that is 1 paragraph, at least 5 sentences if you include all of that. Okay? And once you get done, you know COPS, capitalization, organization, punctuation, and spelling. Go back and check for that and correct it. All right, and then you're going to submit it. And remember to do your absolute best because this is going for a grade, guys. All right, I know you're going to do awesome because y'all are very smart. So just give it your all, guys.